Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the final video in the series. We're going to talk about AWS CDK, Cloud Development Kit. Why we're using CDK? It allows us to write Python code to automate the creation of all the components we had in the production-ready video. The networking components, the VPC, Internet Gateway, Network Gateway, Application Load Balancer, etc. Allows us to automate the creation of all the ECS components, the Elastic Container Registry, the ECS cluster, service, specifying the task definition and all the Docker containers within it. And also specify all the SSM parameters for variables as well. We automate the creation of all these things from a single script. What does this do? It allows us to standardize it. It allows us to take away any kind of manual input, prevent errors. It can be shared throughout the organization. It also allows us to automatically delete the components very easily with a single command. If you ever try to delete a VPC manually, you know full well how cumbersome and time-consuming it can be because it prevents you from deleting certain components until other ones are deleted first. It's a really cumbersome process. So CDK solves all of that. For this video though, I'm not making it publicly available. The reason being, I'm not making any money off YouTube right now because I don't have any monetization. I don't have enough subscribers. I don't have enough watch time. I don't make any money off this. So I'm trying to make a little bit of return on investment on all the time that I put into making all these videos. So the way you can access this video is by going to Patreon. You're on the repo right here. If you scroll down the right, you click the Patreon link, it will take you there. And then the post you're looking for will be right here. Running Celery, Flask, and NGINX on AWS Part 7 CDK. You can purchase it there, and I promise you'll get a lot out of this video. If you have any questions after watching the video or anything wasn't making any sense, let me know. Send me an email, leave a comment. I'll be happy to help you out any way I can. And as always, if you can share this video, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, the repo, my GitHub profile, all these things really help me a lot. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you learned a lot in this video series, and I plan to make a few more coming up. I hope you tune into those as well. Thanks for watching again, and stay tuned for more.